Hey, it's Edward, and today I'm going to show you how to get that no fuss, straight out of bed look, and it's one of my everyday go-to looks, for obvious reasons. I like this look because it's really easy to achieve. It's not quite as easy as just rolling out of bed, but pretty close, except it looks a lot better. If you're new to this channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button down below. We can show you how to style your hair in all kinds of different ways. So go ahead, subscribe. The just out of bed look is something almost any guy can achieve with just about any haircut, short or long. I'm just going to use some Cremo matte cream, light hold and low shine. I just rub a nickel size amount in between my hands and work it through evenly throughout my clean, damp hair. Notice how I said clean. That's one of the key differences between just rolling out of bed and taking the time to wash and style your hair. For me, I can just tell when somebody takes extra time to style. Now you can either blow dry or just use your fingers. Light hold, light shine, and good to go. It's not a lot of work at all for a nice natural look like this. If you have any more questions or if you're having any other problems, drop a comment down below and we'll get back to you. Otherwise, I will see you guys soon. Bye.